everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another Mango and Zara haul for you guys. So if you guys like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. And of course you can follow me on Instagram where I post lots of fun things, updates, and outfit inspiration. Okay, so the first piece I got here is from Zara, and I'm loving mom fit anything, whether it's mom fit pants. This time it's mom fit shorts, and I love the roll up part, which is at the bottom. I also really love the color. The good thing about this is it's nice and tight, but at the same time leaves enough room for me to be able to move around. It's the exact same fit that I really like. But I have to say what stands out for me the most is the color. It's perfect for the beach, it's perfect for meeting up with friends in patios, and also it's just perfect if you want to feel comfortable in the heat. Next piece I got from Zara is this blazer, and I absolutely love it. I did get it when they had the sale, and so when I saw this, I just had to get it because it's a very versatile piece that I could use not only for the summer, but also for professional settings. And so a piece like this I can easily take from business to business casual, which I love. It just depends on what you put with it, and I really love the color. I love the rustic vibes and the stripes as well. And moving on to Mango, I've gotten these flowery shorts, these floral shorts. I really like these shorts because of the floral pattern and also the pleating. I like that because it just gives a really nice shape to your body. It emphasizes a smaller waist, and at the same time it just flares out just a little bit. So it does also make your hips just look a little bit bigger too. So I like the shape, but I also really like the pattern. Also, the material of the shorts is really great because it's nice and light, which is perfect for summer. You don't have to think about sweating in them. It's really airy, flowy, and the material itself doesn't encourage any more heat. The good thing about it too is that while it is light, it isn't transparent per se because there is a lining underneath. Now, I would say though, depending on the color of your underwear, of course it could show through given that it is a lighter color, but you'll be fine with a nude color underwear as well. Next thing I got is this crop top shirt jacket. It's more of a shirt than it is a jacket, but it does lean towards the style of a jacket, and I really like it because of the color. It just gives me this whole safari, tropical, anything really. And it's really cool too because the material is not too light, so it is a blend between a shirt and a jacket, and I really like that. The buttons are really cool as well. I just really like the shape, and so I decided to get it, and I really think that it can go with so many different bottoms as well. not least, but also my favorite, you guys already know I absolutely love dresses, and so I didn't hesitate to get this one from Mango. What caught my eye was definitely the back side. It's just really nice and very elegant, and it's just showing enough but not too much. And I always love dresses like these where it just leaves a lot to the imagination. But what I like about it too is how flowy the skirt is. It's flowy without it being heavy, or even having to be something so flowy that you'd be scared about how the wind blows it. I think it's got a really nice weight to it, and I love the pattern. I love the shape. I love it. The dress speaks for itself, so I'm gonna say no more and I'm gonna let you guys take a look at it. I really love this dress because it can make you feel like this princess in a field or something like that. I don't know, it was just, when I put it on, that's what I felt like, and when I look at it, that's what I see as well. I just really love it. Anyway, those are all the pieces. I hope that you guys liked it. Leave me in the comments down below which ones were your favorites, or which one. Also, what some of your favorite trends are right now in the summertime. There's so many going on. My personal favorite right now is knit anything, and of course dresses. They're always my go-to, and it's timeless. I don't even think it's a trend. It's just a basic at this point, and a timeless piece. Anyway, leave me in the comments down below which ones you liked, what trends you guys are loving right now, and I'll see you guys on the next one.